What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Nah. You are now tuned into Exclusively Me TV. And I'm back with another episode. In today's episode, you are in Nah's Ratchet Kitchen. If you know me, I don't cook. I don't bake. I microwave. Simple as that. You know, 3 steps. Pump it in, tap it, take it out, it's done. I love it here. But anyway, I have special guests here. We have first my son. What's your name? Ooh! And then we got my brother. What's your name?
Duncan.
All right. I don't know why they're giving out last names, but hey, that's okay. So today we are making we are making a funfetti cake. You know, little box cakes from Dollar General. Yeah, we working with this today. Just a new episode, you know what I'm saying? A little, try to include the fam and whatnot. So, y'all pray my strength. So, I mean, it got directions and everything, but I'm a blondie at heart, so I'm definitely gonna try my best. Before we start the video, I do want to do my Black Business shout out of the day. I am rocking a t-shirt, a Juneteenth customized t-shirt from Shades of More. That's my homegirl, Shantal Johnson. I'll be sure to drop her link in the description down below. Make sure you go shop. All right, so the ingredients say to have a cup of water, a half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. So we got the oil, we got some eggs, we got this little baby pan because we don't do sweets and lots of sweets are not being eaten around here. If you dig what I'm saying. All right, and then I got some pan to spray in.
Don't.
I got some pan to spray in. I don't even know if you're supposed to, but I'm gonna do it because I spray everything. So we just gonna spray that right there. We got a mixing bowl, and of course we got our batter. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me get us I forgot the measuring cups. Measuring cups are essential. Why? Because if you don't know what you're doing like me, that's why it's essential. Let's follow the baking instructions. Alright, my boy looking all good, you know what I'm saying? Got a fresh cut yesterday, you know. Alright, let's go ahead. So we got 3 simple instructions, and we can do this. We can do this, right, y'all? Yeah. 3. How about, boy? Give me the first finger. Okay, so we have to preset the oven to 350. Woo, look at that. Done. Next, we gotta beat the cake mix, the water, oil, and eggs into the bowl with mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. I ain't got no mixer. We gonna use these mixing hands. Man, what? Now all that special stuff that y'all may do to y'all little cakes and stuff, that's cute. That's cool. And that's cute, but I ain't really got time for all that. So we're just gonna do it. What the hell? You don't eat it yet.
Put it right there.
Just pour it in there.
Okay.
All of it. Okay. Okay, so the directions say to use a little mixing beater, but all I have are these spear things. So we about to mix.
you might look pretty fast. Now you can see it. Oven time. Oven time.
Hey,
Oven time.
hey,
Oven time.
hey, hey.
Oven time.
All right, we got a little bit of progress. Let's see, can y'all see? Can y'all see that in there? It's rising. I'll just show you. It's doing something.
3 hours later.
The cake is done! Yay!
Let's go check it out. Let's go look at the cake.
Let's go check out the cake. Alright, so check it out. So, let's let this thing sit, and then we're gonna come right back and frost it. I'm not gonna have the kids help me with the icing. I already don't know how to ice myself, so I don't need no more of that little negativity on the cake. So the cake is done. It has been cooling. I had to put my Crocs in sport mode.
Want to repeat?
Oh no, it's okay. Thank you, you too. Yes, I forgot the icing. Good job. Good job. Because I forgot the icing. The day that I bought the cake, I got no icing. So we got done. I'm like, oh, it's time to put ice on the cake. We don't have any. So I'm gonna go get some. This is not the icing that usually comes with it. It comes with like funfetti icing, but yeah, they didn't have it. So this is what we're working with. And we don't got no sprinkles to put on top. So, oh well. Booyah! Let's give the kids their piece of cake. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut mine and put it in the refrigerator. I love cold cake. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is the cake?
10.
What? It's a good cake?
Yes.
All right. Tell them to subscribe, Lenny.
Subscribe.